Hello and welcome to our classroom. Today we're doing a science lab on light. We are going to prove light travels in a straight line, is reflected and refracted in air and liquids. Reflected means it bounces back, hits something and bounces back. Refracted means it hits something and it moves, but it's bent a little bit. So this is what we're going to do. You, after you see this video, you will use a light, a mirror, clear glass of water, and 3 cards with holes in them to see reflection, refraction, and light moving in a straight line. Number 1, the flashlight and 3 cards. So let me show you what we're going to do with this. I have a small flashlight. You can use the flashlight on a phone or any light source that you have. This one I'm going to turn on, and since it's a little bright in here, you might not be able to see unless I turn the main light down. So I'm going to turn that down a little bit, and I'm going to come around to show you how light travels in a straight line. Now I've got these cards, and each card has a hole in it. And I've got them standing up, and as I put the light through the first card, you can see it's showing up on the second card. Well, the second card has a hole right here, so I'm going to move that light right onto that hole, and in the third card, you can see how the light is showing up. It's going through card 1, card 2, and hitting on card 3. If I move it just right, it may go on. But if I move the card over, I block the light and it can't go any further. It's being reflected back onto the first card instead of traveling straight and moving on to card 3. So if light didn't travel in a straight line, it could bend around that card and make that card show up on the card, but it has to be in a straight line. So that's our first experiment. So now that we've proved that light travels in a straight line, let's look at how light's reflected. So I'm going to use my flashlight again. This time I'm going to use just a regular old mirror. You could use a mirror or any shiny object. So I'm going to turn on my flashlight and point it at the mirror. Now, right now, it's reflecting the light back against the wall. But if I turn this up, you can see a slight show on the ceiling. Let's turn the lights down again. Now, where I shine the light on the mirror, it's going to reflect it to wherever I point the mirror. So it's above me, it's to the side, but it's wherever the mirror turns it to. And the last thing that we're going to do, or you're going to do, is you're going to look at the refraction of light. We have 2 glasses here. We've got a glass of water and a glass of oil. When I put this straight pencil in the glass of water, you can see that the thing that we see in our eye looks like the pencil is bent because the light is refracted when it goes through the water, and it shows a bent pencil. Now, when I put it in something thicker, still clear, but thicker, it makes it even bigger that you see it's bent or made large. So these are refraction. We saw light in a straight line with our 3 cards, reflection with the mirror, and refraction with the water. So now it's your turn to do this on your own and record your video or your voice telling me what you found in your observations. Have a good time.